Okay, one of the first things I'd like to show you about is the inspector. To do any type of edits and to set all the objects on your page, this will be the most important tool you're going to use in iWeb. So right down here in the lower right corner, you'll see the inspector. You just click on that, and you'll see it open up here. And there's a bunch of things you can do here. This first little button. This first button will let you name your site, put a contact email, set a password. And this is for pages themselves, where you can set the page name, whether to include it in a navigation menu, and whether to display the navigation menu. You could also set the size of your page and the fill and the browser background color. And this is the section where you can control your photos and a slideshow. Now this RSS button is where you can control your blogs and your podcasts. It also has a text control feature here with text wrap and a bunch of other features. This one here is where you can control different objects, setting their fill and stroke, and adding shadows and the opacity. And this little ruler right here is where you can set the sizes of objects, their position on the web page, and you could rotate them and things like that. And this one right here is where you set up your hyperlinks. So if you want something to link to another page, you set it up right here. And finally is the QuickTime Inspector, which will let you set start and stop times in your movie and post a frame, things like that. So those are some of the things you can do in your inspector in iWeb. I'm Bill McPherson for Expert Village.